As you can see in Arunachal Pradesh, usually the harvest festival begins when hard work ends. But here at Cholo Loku, it begins with something else, a sense of belonging. And today's celebration is a portrayal that culture is not just performed but also lived. Namaskar, I'm Jamila Yordung, reporting for Didi Arun Prabha, bringing you the Cholo Loku Festival 2025. Well, Cholo Loku is a festival celebrated among Nokte tribe in various parts of Arunachal Pradesh every year. And today we will be giving you a tour of the celebration here at TCL ground, Senki View, Itanagar. The event will also be graced by the presence of Chief Guest Mr. Bamang Tago, Chairperson of Arunachal Pradesh State Human Rights Commission, and Guest of Honor Advocate Uttam Bori, General Secretary of Bar Association, Guwahati High Court, Itanagar Permanent Bench. Despite its rituals, Cholo Loku remains a constant reminder to what keeps the Nokte tribe together as a community. Now, let's get indulged in the event. Cholo Loku is among the most important festivals of the Nokte community, celebrated as an expression of gratitude for a rich harvest. Observed in November, it marks the time when paddy is gathered, granaries are full, and the aroma of ripened grain lingers in the cool hills. The festival spans 3 lively days, filled with rituals, music, and the vibrant rhythm of community life. In the Itanagar capital region, the spirit of Cholo Loku has grown remarkably over the years. What began as a quiet community picnic has now blossomed into a grand annual celebration, one that brings together Noktes from across the city. Today, it stands not just as a festival, but as a moment of reunion, identity, and shared pride.
जोरम में न्योकुम को आपका अगस्त 6 में 1967 में फर्स्ट सेलिब्रेशन हुआ, वो छोटा सा ग्रुप के लिए। तो आप लोग का मेरा जहाँ तक जानकारी है, जो आप लोग का 25 नवंबर 1968 को, यानी कि एक साल हमारा न्योकुम से 1 साल 3 महीना 19 डेज का है। तो आप लोग 1968 से लेके अभी आज हो गया 2025। आप देखिए, इफ यू लुकिंग बैक to the 57 years today now, वो आज मेरे लिए बहुत ही लकी है और ऑनर है और अपॉर्चुनिटी है कि आप लोग का साथ में आके ऐसे लोकू फेस्टिवल को ज्वाइन किया है। और मैं लकी इसलिए भी बोल रहा हूँ कि मेरा एज भी ये 25 में, मेरा भी 57 है। तो इसलिए मैं लोकू में मेरे लिए बात है जैसे
Jangan cakap dulu. Nok teh. Trong ấy và lâm niêm rằng nắng bông mà hạng cây mà nắng lúc từ như cha ra mà tê ba hay nắng tê nắng ba và lâm niêm rằng có thì ra chạm cây cổ chẳng lúc từ như cha vậy rồi chú tên chẳng tắc trôn chơi cổ đã trôn chơi cổ nắng buông nắng luôn vậy nắng cắn chết vậy le mua lắc về mà nó mà ne cứ nắng nắng nóc từ như cha vợ chân nín đang đi rồi ta răng mà nắng từ nắng ba niêm mà nắng xong cả nó ăn thôi gì thôi có chút cái gồn nắng này
for our future, thanking them for our year that have gone well and to guide us all through our life.
Have you ever been to any harvest festival before?
So this is harvest based, is
Yes.
it? Oh,
yes.
okay.
So this is when all the crops will be harvested and they can start their new year with the new crops they have grown throughout the year, right? So this is a milestone for them.
Okay. Very different to harvest.
Yes, indeed. And first, I'd like to introduce you. We have with us some very distinguished, interesting people who have joined us today in the Chalo Loku Festival, and we'd like to hear from them how did they feel about after visiting this event. So, can we first get where are you coming from?
I'm Katrina and I'm from Sydney, from Australia.
I'm Penny and I'm from South Africa with the world's best cricket team.
Interesting. And now can we also know what was the purpose of your visit in Arunachal Pradesh?
We're here to take photographs. So we're on a photography tour, but we came across this group just this morning by accident. They were sitting at the side of the road and we stopped to talk to them and they told us about this exciting festival, and so we came down to see what was happening, and it's fabulous.
So we are on a photography tour specifically to meet with what they're calling the forgotten tribes of India, to see how people live and how they're coping in the modern world. And it was really exciting for us when we saw all the uniforms on the side of the road, and we stopped to ask if we could please come. It's really important for cultures not to be forgotten. And we've been really warmly welcomed by people here.
Thank you so much. And indeed, that is true that, cultural representation is really important. And can you please tell us what's something that really, stood out for you, something that you found really interesting after visiting today?
Apart from the dress, which is incredible, there's so much detail in it. Obviously, it takes a long time to put together, but also just how friendly the people are, and very welcoming, and very open to us taking photographs, so we can take their story back to Australia.
So yeah, same here. The colours are gonna. I'm so excited to see the feathers and the colours. But really, what makes this place special, and everybody we've met since we arrived in this region, is how friendly the people are.
And how would you describe today's experience in simple one word?
Fabulous, exciting, really, really interesting, and very special.
Yeah, I would say it's been magnificent.
All right. Now to also conclude this interaction, can we all together look at the camera and say Happy Chalo Loko?
Happy Chalo Loko.
Standing next to me is Mr. Manjay Tangchang, Under Secretary of Law Department and Treasurer of Chalo Loko Festival Committee. Welcome to Didi Arun Prabha sir.
Thank you, madam.
तो सर आप हमें बताइए कि ईटानगर में ये चालो लोकू सेलिब्रेशन होने का क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है?
नोक्टे चालो लोकू जो ईटानगर में ऑर्गेनाइज किया था वो 1986 में पिकनिक का फूम में रूप लिया था उसका जन्म। इसके बाद 87 से लेके आज तक हम लोग मानते आ रहे हैं और 2012 में हम लोग 16वां जुबली मना था। उसका मानने का एम्स एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ये है कि हम लोग अपना कल्चर ट्रेडिशंस को शोकेस करें और हम लोग का बीच में जो डेली मिल नहीं सकता है उन लोग आपस में यूनाइटेडली फॉर प्रिजर्विंग एंड प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ रिच कल्चर एंड ट्रेडिशन उसको हम लोग एवरी ईयर सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए हम लोग ये रखा है। एवरी 25 को मानते हैं इसलिए।
So, sir, can you also tell us the process in Itanagar? How is the execution of festival?
Chalo Loku is actually celebrated for 3 days. The first day is called Phamlamja. Phamlamja is a preparation day. On this day, we clean our grounds, arrange our essential items, and invite our guests. And the second day is called Chamkaja. Chamkaja is called the Cham. This is altar, bamboo altar, raised bamboo, and on this platform we offer to the god with a prayer to our forefathers for bumper harvest and for well-being of one and all. And third day is called the Thalangja, that is the finishing day. And on that day we sum up the dance and celebration for next year celebration and to come with same health and मतलब क्या बोलेगा अच्छा से और जितना भी नॉक्टेस है इंक्लूडिंग अदर्स पीपल सब अच्छा से रह के और नेक्स्ट ईयर में और ज़्यादा से मानने के लिए हम लोग प्रार्थना करके कंक्लूड करते हैं थर्ड डे को।
Sir, since Chalo Loku celebration has been going on since a very long time, is there any such ritual जो history में ही रह गया and now it's not celebrated or practiced anymore during the festival?
Interestingly, there are some festival. The Nokte area is inhabited by diverse tribes. The upper Noktes used to celebrate Chalo Loku also, but they have forbidden the Chalo Loku. And the lower Noktes, we also celebrate the Ronghuan, their main festival, and we have forgo that Ronghuan. And it was celebrated in the month of July and August. And it is a rainy season. It was a millet festival. And due to rainy season, the rain used to act as a sports and we stopped to celebrate the Ronghuan in lower Noktes. And in upper Noktes, they have discontinued Chalo Loku. They are protecting Ronghuan. But the songs are same. The rituals are same. We used to sing in Kappa. Kappa is the common dialect based on which we sing together for protection of our traditions.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving us such important details. And sir, all in all, आज का celebration को लेके आपको कैसा लगा?
Thank you, madam. Thank you, Doordarshan Itanagar, for covering this Chalo Loku celebration Itanagar. And this year we are inviting Bordwira village for cultural troops, and they are showcasing the main Khapabuang. Khapabuang is not danced in every village, and my message to the people will be like that. In the coming year, we will celebrate the festival in larger manner, in a grand manner, with same enthusiasm and Jess and Jill together.
Thank you so much. With the same enthusiasm, let's say Happy Chalo Loku to everybody.
Thank you, madam.
Happy Chalo Loku.
Happy Chalo Loku to everyone. Thank you.
Attires hold great significance when we talk about cultural representation and our own identity. And today, in celebration of Chalo Loku, we have two beautiful people dressed in Nokte tribal dress, and we'll have them debrief their dress and the significance of it for us. So first we will start with you, ma'am. आपके साथ शुरू करेंगे. So ma'am, आप बताइए हमें कि पूरा from head to toe ना आपने क्या पहना है and कितना पुराना है ये?
बहुत साल हो गया, तो बहुत साल पुराना का है.
हाँ, आप बताइए.
इसका नाम है डिंगखप और इसका नाम लिपियांग है इसका नाम ना, और इसका नाम चांगसी है. इसका नाम तो लिक कैथोक है, उसका नाम मेमियत है, और ये चाकरी कच्छम है, और ये चाकरी कैथोक है, और ये न्याबलिन है. हम लोग डांस करते समय पकड़ते हैं उसको.
मैम, न्याबलिन में कुछ होता है?
न्याबलिन में साली होता है, अंदर में साली बांधते हैं हम लोग.
और मैम, आपका जो हेड में जो बहुत सिल्वर सुंदर सा जो लगाया है,
ये कथोंग है. ये जो ना, इसको बोलते हैं कथोंग रू ना, कथोंग ही बोलते हैं. और ये है कथोंग, इसको कथोंग बोलते हैं. और ये नाते बोलते हैं इसको.
तो मैम, ये आपका जो कल्चरल ड्रेस है, ये आपको आपका ट्राइब को कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करता है?
कैसा?
जो आपका जो कल्चरल, आप जो ड्रेस पहना है, अटायर अपना ट्राइब का, वो आपको कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करता है एज अ ट्राइब?
डांस करते समय ये करते हैं हम लोग, पहनते हैं हम लोग ना, हमेशा उसको हर साल डांस करता है हम लोग, उसको ही पहन के डांस करते हैं. साली भी उसको, ये सिंगर लोग को ना, गाना वालों को देते हैं.
Thank you so much. Now we will also hear from sir. Sir, please आप हमें बताइए from head to toe कि क्या पहना है आपने और कितना साल पुराना है?
हम लोग ये मतलब पहले से ही ऐसे है, जो जब मेरा वो नाना नानी वो लोग था, उसी समय से हम लोग ऐसे ही मतलब लगा के, हम लोग का ट्रेडिशनल जो ऐसे लगा के आया हुआ है हम लोग. मैं एक बार आप लोग को बताऊंगा. इसको वेखो बोलते हैं, वेखो बोलते हैं इसको, और इसको रक्पा बोलते हैं, और ये जो इसको बोलते हैं खसी बोलते हैं इसको ना, इसको खसी बोलते हैं, और इसको वो में बोलते हैं, और इसको खंगपा बोलते हैं, और इससे वो खपक को ये बोलते हैं खंगलम कपक बोलते हैं इसको, टोपी को खंगलम कपक बोलते हैं. और इसका नाम है लिस्टो फकबियक, इसका नाम है मेमियत, इसका नाम है पोपा, इसका नाम है डक्कू, और इसका नाम है खरी, गुटा को खरी बोलते हैं. और जो लगा वो ये मतलब जो नीचे में लगाया हुआ है, उसको कोट तक बोलते हैं हम लोग. ये मेन तो यही है हम लोग, ये मतलब जो जितना लड़का है इसको मतलब उसको लेना ही है. इसको पासंग बोलते हैं हम लोग का, पासंग बोलते हैं मतलब जो हम लोग का वो ट्रेडिशनल होता है. ये
सर, इसको पकड़ने का क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है?
इसको मतलब ये दिखाना है. पहले में जब आगे मतलब वो जो पहले ज़माना में वो किसी को मराने से मतलब था, ऐसा था बोले तो किसी को मतलब पहले में ये था मार्केट होता था ना पहले, तो उसी समय में हम लोग इसको ये मरा के इसको मतलब हम लोग ये मतलब दिखाने के लिए वो लोग को हम लोग जीते बोल के दिखाने के लिए उसको मतलब ये किया था हम लोग मतलब दिखाया था उसको, ऐसा था।
इसको क्या बोलते हैं?
क्या जो
इसको क्या बोलते हैं?
इसको लोग जो बोलते हैं वही है। अगर ये नहीं होने से हम लोग का वो मतलब चालो लोकू ये आज का जो मना रहे हम लोग वही मतलब नहीं चलेगा, मतलब इसको जरूरी होता है।
तो सर आप एक बार फुल पहन के एक बार दिखाइए ना, फिर से एक बार फुल पहन के। The final beat of the drum fades, the feeling stays. Chalo Loku once again reminds us that culture is most beautiful and strong when shared. From Sankey View, this is Jamila Yordung wishing you a very warm and beautiful day ahead. Nga nga nang hungsan ringsan Chalo Loku.